This is my chocolate ganache cupcake. Today we are going to be making the best cupcake I've ever made and the best cupcake I've ever eaten. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is put in 1 stick of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 eggs at room temperature, this is the best cupcake. I think I made this probably, I don't know when, years and years ago, probably 15, 20 years ago. I really don't know. It's been so many years. This is my go-to if I want to impress or if I want to make something super special to take somewhere. This is that recipe. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just kind of whip it up. Okay, we got it all whipped up. Now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Smells good. We're going to put in 1 1/3 cup of chocolate syrup. And this is, I'm using the Smuckers. So I have to go get some more. I thought I had enough. I need 1/3 of a cup. So let me go and get that. Okay, so it's a different kind of syrup, but you know, syrup is syrup. So there is I think that was the 1/3. I hope it was. Sometimes. Okay, that was the 1/3. Now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, and I'm using a Nescafe. You can use any kind you want. Folgers. This is just a Nescafe Columbia. Okay, so now we're just going to combine it. And now we're going to add in a little bit at a time, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, we're going to just make sure we're going to scrape our bowl. Make sure it's all mixed in. Now there's no leveler in this, or leveling powder like baking powder or baking soda. It's just plain old flour. And these do not rise very high, but they are so good. We're going to put them in muffin tins, and we're going to make the best chocolate cupcake you've ever had. Okay. Oh, look at that. You can use any kind of cupcake pan. We're not going to use cupcake liners. We're just going to spray it with Baker's Joy. We want a pretty round bottom. And like I say, these are not going to rise very high. And I'm using a smaller muffin pan because I like them that way. They're just beautiful. Okay, go ahead and take this out for now. Set it aside. Okay, just going to fill this up and just get it right in our pan. I love cupcakes. I like the convenience of them. I like to have them at a party. So you don't have to cut cake. If I was having a wedding today, or if I was, well, I'm already married, but if I had to do my wedding again, I did it 38 years ago, I would have cupcakes. All that mess of cutting that cake. My wedding cake fell, guys. My wedding cake fell. Definitely want to lick the bowl. I forgot to tell you, we preheat our oven to 325 degrees. And we're going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes. I forgot to preheat the oven, so now I have to wait. I forgot to tell you that the reason we put coffee in is coffee brings out the flavor of chocolate. Oh my gosh, it makes chocolate taste a million times better. I mean, I love chocolate, but I love coffee. So, of course, together they're going to be spectacular. Okay, it's time to get our cupcakes in, and I doubled my pan. I always double my pan because I like a light bottom on my cupcakes, you see. So I just stuck this pan on top of that. Look at there. They expanded just a little, but that's okay, because guess what we're going to do? We're going to put them in ganache. Oh my gosh. We're going to turn them out. I just want to eat them like this, okay? They are so good, and they're hot. I'm going to take one apart. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, good. Now you can leave these plain. They're so good, honestly, that they don't need nothing. We are definitely going to make them even better. Okay, I'm taking Ghirardelli. I think I said it right. And then I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 cup. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the microwave. We're not going to put it on the stove. I've been doing this for many years. We're going to put it in the microwave for about a minute, and then we're going to stir it and put it back in for another minute. Back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So I'm going to get me out a sheet pan and some parchment paper. Okay, we're going to stir it again. I like quick and easy. And you can cook it over a double boiler if you like, but I find just sticking it in the microwave, I really do. I've been making it so long that I'm just saying I see no difference in taste, honestly. It will thicken up. So we're going to let this set for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to top our cupcakes with this ganache. It will thicken as it sits. Okay, let's get started on these cupcakes. We are going to get started, and we're just going to start pouring the ganache right over the top of these cupcakes. Have some heat coffee, and I'm going to decorate some of them. I love this stuff. As you can probably tell in my videos, I love the Heath toffee. I'm just going to decorate these. This is one of my favorite of all time cupcakes. Oh, I love this. Oh man, those are beautiful. Beautiful. Look what I got. Look what I got. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half. I want you to see how beautiful that cupcake is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, perfect cupcake. Now we're going to try it. So flavorful. The toffee is awesome. These cupcakes are good plain with nothing on top. Get you a glass of milk or a hot cup of coffee and you're in heaven. Add a little luxury to your life. Make these wonderful, amazing cupcakes. Enjoy your home. You can do it. This is so easy. You can do it. You guys go. Thank you for watching, for commenting. The kindest, most wonderful audience. You guys are the best. I have the best audience on YouTube. I know I do. You guys go. Make these cupcakes. You deserve it. You deserve to make your home smell good, feel good, and be a place that you can enjoy your cupcake. Go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.